In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset AutoCAD to default settings. If your interface feels cluttered, commands aren't behaving as expected, or you've inherited a workstation with someone else's layout and preferences, resetting can quickly bring AutoCAD back to a clean, out-of-the-box state. I will show you two straightforward ways to do it. Starting with the recommended method from the Windows Start menu, and then how to do it from within AutoCAD using the Options dialog. First, the Windows Start menu method before you begin. Make sure AutoCAD is completely closed so the reset can apply properly. Then click the Windows Start button and look for the AutoCAD folder that matches your installed version. Inside that folder, select Reset Settings to Default. You'll see two choices. If you'd like a safety net, choose Backup and Reset Custom Settings. This saves your current configuration so you can restore it later if needed, and then proceeds with the reset. If you are certain you don't need to keep your customizations, choose Reset Custom Settings to immediately revert everything to default. This process targets your user-specific things, like profiles, interface, customizations, and tool palettes, without touching your drawing files. Now, if AutoCAD is already open and responsive, you can also reset from within the program. In the command line, type Options and press Enter to open the Options dialog. Navigate to the Profiles tab. Here, you'll find controls for your user profiles, the collections of settings that shape how AutoCAD looks and behaves for you. Click Reset and then click Yes to confirm. This brings the profile back to factory defaults, which is often enough to resolve display quirks, strange command behavior, or menus that don't look right. A quick note to set expectations. After a reset, AutoCAD will behave like a fresh install the next time you launch it. That means default workspaces, standard tool locations, and original system variables. If you chose the backup option from the Start menu method, you'll have a secure snapshot of your previous setup that you can go back to later. If you skip the backup, be aware you'll be rebuilding your custom interface and preferences from scratch. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.